I was born. It is a unique visual representation of the Air Force's history from the days of the Army Air Corps to the present. What started out as a one-time event has grown in popularity and demand, and now heritage flights are performed at air shows and special events throughout America and around the world. It is my pleasure to describe for you this afternoon's United States Air Force's Heritage Flight. Lee Lauderback, a Vietnam-era F4 Panama, piloted by Major Wayne Chitmon, and United States Air Force F-52 Raptor, piloted by Major Henry Schantz.
But they're not being loud right now.
Addison. Come on, baby. You're coming back.
Please turn with me now and watch as this Heritage to Horizons formation approaches from behind for the third and final pass. Mr. Lee Lauderback and the P-51 Mustang. And now Major Wayne Chitmon and the F4 Phantom. Last but not least, Major Henry Schantz and the F-22 Raptor. Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes today's demonstration. Over 60 years of Air Force heritage. In the past year alone, your United States Air Force flew over 510,000 hours supporting operations in Iraq and Afghanistan. As a proud member of the All-Volunteer Air Force, we hope our performance has inspired you to serve your country alongside the professional men and women you see here in action today. If so, then find a member of any Air Force demo team or your local Air Force recruiter. Any of these Air Force warriors will answer any questions you have and help set your course for an amazing Air Force career. If interested in joining today's premier aerospace team, please stop by and talk with Master Sergeant Bo Brewer at the United States Air Force F-22 demonstration tent, located to the left of Show Center. On behalf of the United States Air Force, General William M. Frazier III, and all of Air Combat Command, thank you for your attendance, and thank you for your patriotism and support.
Well, did you enjoy the Raptor, the Heritage Flight? Great demonstration of the legacy of the United States.